what the chartbuster ideas are, which charts are catching our technical guests' fancy. We've got Kunal Bothra and Nooresh Mirani joining right back in to discuss that. And Kunal, it's United Spirits on your radar.
Yes, Avan, interesting charts for United Spirits because over the last many months the stock had been into a consolidation. So there's this natural tendency of the stock to go into a periodic phase of consolidation. Some of the ranges which last for a few months, we've seen United Spirits get into a very similar kind of a consolidation in 2021. The stock remaining in a band of almost 10 to 15%, and post the breakout we've seen a very strong up move for United Spirits. Very similar is the current trend for the stock, where it's gone to a range taking resistance at these crucial points so far. I'm expecting a breakout over here for United Spirits, and not just a retest of the previous highs of 920 in terms of trendline resistance, but this time around a possible breakout about this 920 mark because of the way most of the indicators are poised, as well as how the entire sector and the overall market is moving up higher. So I would believe that United Spirits could be a good short-term bet. Traders could look out for 920, 960 as a near-term target range, and potentially a breakout much beyond on a medium-term timescale as well.
Right. And Nooresh, what's the chart that you've identified?
So that would be a chart for ICICI Bank. If you look at the chart for the last 1 year or so, the 940 to 960 band has been the top. It did it, attempted it 3 times back in the end of 2022. And now for the last almost a month, we've been consolidating, making a flag formation here around that 940, 960 mark. 935 has been the low for multiple times over the last few weeks. Same is the case, 960 is the top. So once it breaks above 960, it would be a quick move towards 1050, 1100. So preempting that possibility so that the risk reward becomes interesting. Buy at current levels with a stop loss of 925 and a target price of 1050 to 1100 in the short term.
All right, let's find out those individual stock recommendations then. And Kunal, what's making it to your list?
So BHEL remains to be the top mid-cap buy, but the target of 90, stop loss remains at 80. IPCA Lab is the other stock which I think after 2 or 3 days of correction looks very attractive in terms of risk reward, trading at 730.35. Would suggest a buy with a target closer to 790, stop loss at 700.
Okay, there you have it. Those are some top recommendations from Kunal, his cracker stocks. Nooresh, what's looking good on the charts?
So the stocks would be first is a buy on IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, which has made a flag breakout and it's done well in the whole space of OMCs. Looks interesting, stop loss at 88, target of 100. Second is a buy on InfoEdge, which is trying to give a short-term breakout, good momentum over the last few sessions as well. Stop loss at 42.20 and a target price of 4600.
Okay, Kunal, Nooresh, we'll see you again later in the day.